In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the recipient's first name in Zoho campaigns. If you're looking to personalize your email campaigns, using the recipient's first name is a great way to start. Personalization makes your emails feel more human and engaging, helping to build a connection with your audience. So, let's dive into the process of doing just that in Zoho campaigns. To begin, you need to have your campaign editor open. Once you're there, the first thing you should do is decide where you want the recipient's first name to appear. This is typically a part of your greeting or any section where you want a personal touch. Start by selecting the text block in your campaign where you want to add this personal detail. If you're unsure, a common practice is to include the recipient's first name in the opening line of your email, like "Hi, first name," which makes each recipient feel personally addressed. Now that you've selected your text block, look for the Merge Tags option. It should be quite visible, either by hovering over the text block or clicking directly on it. Merge tags are a powerful feature that allows you to automatically pull in personalized data from each contact. Once you find merge tags, click on it to see the various options available for personalization. Next, navigate to the Contacts Merge Tags section. Here, you'll see different options for merging your contact data, but for this purpose, you'll want to select First Name. Clicking on this option will insert the First Name merge tag into your selected text block. It's important that it gets placed exactly where you intended the recipient's name to appear. The tag itself is a piece of code that Zoho campaigns will recognize and replace with the actual first name of your contacts when the email is sent out. To give you an example, the merge tag will look something like this: %first name %. This placeholder is automatically updated with the first name of each recipient in your contact list. If you ever send a test email to yourself, you might still see the merge tag rather than an actual name, but rest assured, once the email is dispatched in a real campaign, your recipients will see their names beautifully placed in the email greeting or wherever you've decided to add that personal touch. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively personalize your email campaigns in Zoho campaigns by including your recipient's first name. This small addition can significantly increase engagement, open rates, and overall satisfaction with your communications. Personalization in emails isn't just a technique, but a step towards building lasting relationships with your audience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you now feel confident in adding that personal touch to your Zoho campaigns. Happy emailing!